Good morning, y'all. This is K1 Locks. Today I wanted to talk with you about this Dexter by Schlage. Super easy. It's 5-pinner. It can be bumped. It can be raked. It can be SPP'd. Today all we're going to do is we're going to talk about bumping it. So this is a bump key by Sparrows with the bump hammer. And there you have it. Super easy. Bump keys are, and this thing right here is actually a, let me grab it here. These are castration rings, 100 by weight. I got like 100 of these for like $3. So super, I don't know, I really like these. Just to show you one more time with this Dexter by Schlage. Let's see, I'm ruining the video. It's alright. There it goes. So, super easy. You too can bump locks. All you need to do is try. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.